Ah, well, Summit Flora has made a delivery to me. Isn't that nice? Let's go check it out, shall we? Here's a question I want to ask you. Have you noticed that dried flowers are just back in fashion? I mean, they are, apparently. What? Me? I'm not the one who's dried up. The plants are, not me. That's much better. So, my bros and brodettes, we are making a Pampas arrangement in a vase. That is what we're making today. So shall we get started? This is Pampas, and this is corn wheat, which I cannot eat because of my gluten intolerance. This is bunny tail, and these are preserved roses. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that, so beautiful. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna grab your Pampas and not your Pampers, and you're gonna gently place your wonderful Pampas into the vase, just like that. And hopefully you can see my face, because look how tall they are. So here's the next step. You're gonna grab your corn wheat, and you're gonna level them off. Oh, sorry, just gonna grab that. And you're gonna level them off. Why do you keep dropping? And you're gonna level them off, just like here. And you're gonna grab your shears, and you're gonna cut them just like this. Ignore the splash of that, but it's all good. And you're gonna place your gentle corn wheat into the vase, just like that. Right here. Voila. The next step is like just basically the same thing, just like with the corn wheat, but this time it's with the bunny tail. Same as always, you grab the bunny tail, you're gonna grab your shears, and you're gonna cut them like this. Oh, are they too short? Well, anyway, it's fine. So I'll just place them in the vase gently. Hope it doesn't go rough in there, but if I place them just like that, it's all good. Just like that. You're on a bridge to nowhere and you're getting there fast. Sorry, I just love Sam Roberts, man. He's my favorite artist. I'm really lucky I've met him. It was, for me, the best day ever. It was completely my favorite day. I was really happy I've met him. So, I mean, without music, life would be a mistake. Wise words from Nietzsche. And into it. Okay, just move this out of the way. Yeah, piece fell off. So here's the next step. To finish it off, you're gonna take your preserved rose and you're gonna place them in your glass container, just like this. And voila. Look how beautifully this is. I mean, I've done all of this. The roses are in the glass container, the Pampas, the corn wheat, and the bunny tail are in the vase. Look at that. Isn't it nice? Hey, I mean, how nice would it look if you put it on your sideboard? I mean, I would do it. Wouldn't you? If you want to know more information about this lovely project I have right next to me, visit summit-school.com, and I will see y'all next time, my favorite bros and brodettes. I mean, just stay safe out there and take care of yourselves.